Hey guys, today is the day that I am going to take my sky wig from Noriko and I am going to cut it to make a top piece. So wish me luck. I have watched the video from Godiva's Secret Wigs many times and yeah, so let's hope I don't mess it up. So she starts by cutting, let me go back a little bit. So she starts over on the side.
Here's the back where the tag is.
So I'm watching just to refresh my memory.
Really low. This works great if you have
I just want to take this bottom part off.
You want some extra, or if your head's a little larger and you find that the wigs are a little tight on you.
So she goes through.
I'm just cutting through the elastic, and I'm cutting through this elastic right here. So here we're open, and then see how it's attached right here.
Okay, well let's give this a go. So I'm going to start right here. Right there. I'm going to cut this, that elastic right there to the right of the, it's not a buckle, what would it be? And then I believe, do I cut this too? Shoot. I have to go back and watch.
And you're just kind of keep pulling and seeing where it's attached. It's attached here.
I just don't want to mess it. I think she cuts through both layers of the elastic.
So I'm going to take my wig.
I'll be back. So I went back and watched again, and yes, she cuts through this elastic as well. This one. So I'm going to do this and try not to cut hair. So there. Okay. That's what we have right there. And then these are just little craft scissors I got at 99-cent only store. So I don't need anything fancy. I hope you guys can see. I hope you can see okay. So then I'm going to pull. See right there? And she did it up higher. Let me look here. I'm going to start out and do it lower on the very lowest piece of that lace elastic. Right there, and go down and try to just get that fabric and not the hair. This is, and what she pointed out is, you know, you might want to do this because the wig is too tight. Mine's a little tight on me, and I've worn it several times, but it's still tight. Or, you know, if the other top pieces that are available that are manufactured, so this is where we are right now, taking this part off. If they don't come in the color or the hair texture that you want, if you want it to be your top piece to match your wavy hair, your curly hair, you can do this to customize. Whoop, I got a little hair there, but that's okay. You know Noriko wigs, you know that they have a lot of hair. So this is what it looks like now. And I guess I'm just going to cut this off because I don't need it. She doesn't mention it, but it seems a little extraneous. And gosh, I hope you guys can see. I'm looking through, I'm using my phone, and because of the colors, it's really hard to see. So this is what's left. And now what I have to do is go in and sew in some clips. So I might do one like here and one like here. And then in the front, I might just do one in the front. And if I need to, I'll do something on the side. So we will be back with that. Oh, hang on. I have to take the T-pin out. Oh, there it is. So this is what I've removed, which isn't a lot. You can save it. You could, I don't know what you'd do with it. I suppose if you wanted to add it to a wig that may be a little thin in an area, or maybe even use it to make some fringe with. I don't know. But, so this is what it looks like now in the back. Still plenty of hair. And once I go try this on, I may decide, oops, that's okay. I can sew that back if I need to, but I may just decide to take a little more hair off. So we'll be back. Okay guys, I tried it on and it is so much better. It feels so much better, and I may even be able to incorporate some of my own hair in when I wear it. I'm going to sew the clips in. So here's my bag of all of my wig sewing items. And I think I'll use the brown. I have a wig cap in here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use the brown thread. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to show. And I have, these are pressure sensitive clips, and you can buy them online. You can get them at a beauty supply store. So I think I'll use this one in the front because it's a little smaller, and I'll use these on the side, and I'll probably put one in the back as well. Here are my needles. Oh, I have these brown. I have a bunch of them. So where did I get these? I may have gotten these at Sally. Sally is a good place. Sally Beauty. That's a good place to get. Oh, so I had natural. I probably got those at Sally Beauty. I don't remember. Who remembers this? Oh my God, back in the day when I used to shower at night and roll my hair on rollers, and if I wanted to keep my bangs down, we'd use this hair tape. You guys remember that? That was back in the 60s, so. And I have another wig cap in here. So these are just my wig accessories. Anyway, so I have my needles, I have my thread, and my clips. And if you can sew, it's real easy to sew in. You just want to make sure that when you're sewing it, that you sew it like this, so that when you slide it back in your hair, it will grab your hair and then close. So that's the way you want to do it. And once I get this done, I'll be back. Hey guys, so I have all of my clips sewn in. My sewing job is terrible. I'm a horrible seamstress. Although I took several, well, I want to trim that. I took several sewing classes through Joann Fabrics, but yeah, didn't help. So I have all of my clips sewn in. It looks crappy, but they're sturdy, and no one's gonna see it, so it doesn't really matter. And this was kind of tricky here. I had to figure out where I was going to put the thread, and that's why this looks terrible, because I kind of had to go all over, because there aren't a lot of really good structures. So we'll see how it goes. And so I'm going to go ahead and put it on, and I will show you the final. Okay, you guys, this is the final. This is my hair here out in front. So I can tuck if I want to, or I can leave it down if I want to. So I have it clipped right here in the front, right there. And then on the sides, I sewed the clips into the where the ear tabs are. And then in the back, I have it clipped right here. So that's where the clip is. It's secure. Oh, that was my knee. Oh, shoot. There goes another bruise. Anyway, so what do you think? These, I don't know. This I may decide to tuck and this, the shorter pieces come out, or just kind of leave it as it is. I think it looks really good. And let me tell you, it's 100% more comfortable than it was as a full-on wig. So, wreath might become a top piece as well. Anyway, I think it looks really good. You guys tell me. Well, I'm gonna tuck that. I think this is awesome. I'm really happy I did this. You guys tell me what you think. How many times am I going to say that? Anyway, sky looks completely different, I think. Those are the bangs that Sky has, although I think I probably trimmed them a little bit. I don't really remember because I bought this about 6 years ago. Anyway, yeah, I like this. I think it looks really modern with the waves in here. It has a little bit of that beachy wave feel. Very comfortable. It's not itchy. It's cool. It's lightweight. It's not tight. 2 thumbs up. I'm so happy I did it, and I'm going to do it to wreath. One of them. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I have 2 of them. I have one in Spring Honey. In one of my previous videos, I said it was Creamy Toffee R, but it's Spring Honey. And then I have one in, I think it's Shaded Praline. No, Shaded Praline. Isn't it Noriko color? What am I trying to say? Creamy Toffee, no. Sugarcane R. Boy, that was a brain fart. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm really happy. This is going to just blow in the wind and look very natural. And as I said, the main thing is that it's really comfortable. Maybe I'll even curl my own hair here a little bit. Not that it will stay, but maybe I'll give that a try. So here's the side. And that's how it's secure. It's certainly not as tight as a wig. I'm liking this. I might have to buy more clips because I might be doing this to most of my wigs. So, all right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, leave them below. And as I said, I apologize for my sewing job, but I never claimed to be a seamstress. So, all right, I'm happy. Bye. Bye. I forgot to do the glasses test. So, I put some lip gloss on. I have my little lip gloss from Dollar Tree. These guys are so cute. Glasses on, glasses off. Easy peasy. Okay, guys. Bye.